Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavati Amma, Assistant Professor from AADS Department. Our subject code is CRA 332. Our subject title is Drone Technologies Unit-2. Topic name is Classification of UAV. Classifications of the UAV. UAV stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicles. It is commonly referred to as drones, are classified based on several factors including their size, weight, range, flight altitude and purpose. Below is a general classification of UAV. The first one is classification by size and weight. UAV can be classified by their physical dimension and weight into several categories. The first one is micro and nano UAVs. Their weight is less than 2 kg and uses are indoor surveillance, hobby flying, close range photography. And the next one is mini UAV. Weight is 2 to 20 kg. Uses photography, recreation, environmental monitoring and agriculture. Then third one is small UAVs. Weight 20 to 150 kg. Uses industrial inspection, advanced surveillance, scientific research. Next one is medium UAVs. Weight 150 to 600 kg. Uses military surveillance, border patrol, then tactical missions. Then last one is large UAV, weight over 600 kg, uses military strike missions, long range surveillance and high altitude research. And the second factor is classification by range. Based on the operational range, UAV are classified as very close range UAV. Range up to 5 km, flight duration less than 1 hour, then uses short range monitoring, indoor missions. Next one is close range UAV. Range 5 to 50 km, flight duration 1 to 6 hours, uses industrial inspection and tactical operations. Next one, close range UAVs. Range 5 to 50 km, flight duration 1 to 6 hours, then uses industrial inspection and tactical operations. The next one is short range UAVs. Range 50 to 150 km, flight duration 6 to 12 hours, uses border patrol, surveillance, environmental monitoring. Then mid-range UAV, range 150 to 650 km, flight duration 12 to 24 hours, uses military reconnaissance, scientific data gathering. Then endurance and long range UAV, range over 650 km, flight duration over 24 hours, uses strategic intelligence, combat missions and long distance logistics. Then third one, classification by altitude. UAVs are also classified based on the altitude they can achieve. Low altitude UAV up to 5000 feet, uses agriculture, environmental survey and firefighting. Example DJI Agras Sensefly EB. Then medium altitude UAV 5000 to 3000 feet, uses surveillance, scientific missions, mapping. Example MQ-9 Reaper Turkish Anga. Then high altitude UAV above 30,000 feet, then uses strategic military surveillance, atmospheric studies, communication relay. Example Global Hawk, then Boeing Phantom I. Then classification by purpose. UAV are categorized by their primary mission. First one, civilian or commercial UAV, uses aerial photography. Then commercial UAV uses aerial photography, agriculture, delivery services, mapping, research. Example DJI, Inspire, Amazon Prime, Air drones. Military UAV uses intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, combat missions. Examples MQ-1 Predator, then MQR Reaper, Wing Loom. Then special purpose UAV, search and rescue, disaster relief, medical supply delivery. Example Plane drones for medical supply, UAV for firefighting. Then recreational UAV, hobby flying, drone racing and personal use. Example DJI Mavic, then Parrot, Bebop. Classification by their flight. UAV are also classified based on their mechanism they use for flying. Fixed wing UAV characteristics: airplane like structure, wings provide lift, long range, high speed. Uses: long distance mission, mapping, surveying. Rotary wing UAV multi-hopter characteristics: helicopter like design. Then rotors provide lift, VTOL, that is vertical takeoff and landing capability. Uses: close range aerial photography and inspection. Then hybrid UAV characteristics: combine fixed wing and rotary wing features for both VTOL and long range flying. Uses: flexible missions requiring vertical takeoff and long endurance. Then classification by autonomy. UAV are also divided based on their level of autonomy. Remotely piloted UAV characteristics: fully controlled by a human operator from a remote station. Example many consumer drones. Autonomous UAV characteristics: operate independently using pre-programmed route and a advanced sensor. Example some military drones, advanced research drones. Then semi-autonomous UAV characteristics: can perform autonomous functions but require occasional human intervention. Example many drones used for commercial purposes like agriculture or mapping. Thank you.